Hi guys, welcome to Always in High Heels. Today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on a simple red lip. I know red lip can be really scary, but I promise we're going to make it easy. I've got a really simple tutorial for you guys that is going to give you just that really great classic red lip. Today I'm going to be using the Sephora collection cream lip stain in Always Red. It's been my go-to lately just because it stays all day, it's tried and true, and it's easy. The doe foot applicator in this product is really great, and the product itself isn't too creamy, it isn't too thick, it isn't too watery. It's just really great and easy to use. So we're going to start by making an X across your Cupid's bow. We're going to make a really great foundation for this perfect red lip. So now we've got a start to our red lip, and it's just kind of giving you that structure that you're looking for that's going to make it that really classic look. So now I'm going to take it down the left side. As you can see, I make little sketches instead of one big line. It just makes a smoother look and just makes it easier to apply, I think. I'm going to do the right side. Fill in any parts that are left on your upper lip, and we're halfway there. I will say, if you make a mistake, it's a lot easier to clean up while the product is still wet before it dries. Once it dries, you're kind of SOL. All right, bottom lip. We're not gonna stay looking crazy forever. All right, bottom lip, you can do one of two ways. You can either start with a minus sign across the bottom of your bottom lip and kind of go from there as a liner. I prefer to just start on the left side and go for it. So I'm going to get a little bit more product on my brush and go in for the left side. Right side. Fill in. Touch up any extra spots, any mistakes. And you're done. You're free to go about your day. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you are enjoying Always in High Heels, make sure to hit like, subscribe, follow along. Make sure you get all of the latest and greatest in your inbox. Comment below if you want to see anything, and I'll see you next time.